Hi, this is Mike Maloney, and I just finished the most comprehensive presentation that I've made in probably a decade. It covers the stock markets, bonds, it covers the world monetary system, the different monetary systems that we've had. It covers cryptocurrencies, it covers gold and silver. And it shows that we are in this massive bubble, and I've called it the everything bubble, so it's an update on that. But it presents a whole lot of other information. And these things are all additive, and it's going to add up to what I believe is going to be the greatest crisis in financial history ever. This is going to be much bigger than 2008. I don't know when it's coming at us. Luckily, we got this little reprieve with the tax cuts that are going to stave off a recession for a little while, but that's your opportunity to get prepared for the most massive wealth transfer in history. I accumulated the most wealth in the shortest period of time during the market crash of '08, and I know that I saved a whole lot of real estate investors from massive losses by being early and warning them and showing them the data, showing them the proof. This is basically the same scenario. I'm going to be a little bit early here. I'm showing you the data, I'm showing you the proof, but I believe it's something that you can benefit. Please click the link below to find out more. Thanks.